Hey guys, I'm back with a new video. In this video, let us learn about images in HTML. Now before starting with the topic, make sure to bookmark the playlist if you haven't already done that, so that you can reference and follow it at your own pace. Also, if you are new to my channel, definitely check out my other videos. I mostly create content on programming, web development, and machine learning. If this interests you, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more such awesome videos. Now for this video, I've already downloaded a cool image from pixabay.com from where you can grab free stock images. So I will be using that image for this video. So create a folder images and add your favorite image to it. Make sure to give the image a descriptive name. Now let us create a new file inside the HTML folder and name it as images.html. Now let us quickly scaffold a basic HTML boilerplate for this web page. So type exclamation and press tab and change the title to images in HTML. Now in order to embed an image to the web page, let us add an image element. So for this, let us say img and press tab. Now here we need to first set the source for the image that we want to use. So the image that we want to render is sitting in the images folder. So here we can say images/image1.jpg. Now we also have an alt attribute which is used to provide some textual alternative description for the image. In case the image fails to load, then the text that we specify right inside the alt attribute will get rendered as fallback. Okay. Also, the reason for using an alt attribute is to make the element accessible to visually impaired users who use screen readers to access this content. Another benefit of using the alt attribute is that it helps search engines to understand what we are providing here, right? Let me name this as pattern. So let us give this a preview in the browser to see our image. Now you can see that this image is spanning right outside the boundaries of our viewport. So let us talk about sizing of images. So for this we can make use of CSS, but I won't be touching CSS in this video, but we can set the height and width of the image to some value to make it look a bit more elegant. So let us set the height and width of the image element to 200 pixels, height 200 pixels and width as well. So let us see how the image now looks in the browser. And you can see this looks good. So this was a very short video where we covered about images in HTML. If you liked the video, do give it a thumbs up or comment down below if you have any query. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and I will see you guys in the very next one.